Discover the fitness techniques of the pros. Setting a huge goal like running a marathon or losing 100 pounds may not be the best way to get fit. These goals can feel overwhelming and cause you to give up when you don't see instant results. Instead, set small, attainable goals that you can gradually incorporate into your lifestyle. Setting goals for one to reach is an important tool to assist one in maintaining fitness levels. Depending on individuals' desired goals can vary from getting faster to getting stronger and all kinds of levels in between. However, the most useful thing about a goal is that it gives one something to aim for. Aerobic training greatly reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease and helps maintain a healthy cardiovascular system. You should have a schedule for aerobic or cardiovascular exercise, and you should stick to that schedule. 3 days a week at an hour a day is good, or you can choose to do 30 minutes to an hour daily. It is up to you, but you should always incorporate cardiovascular exercise into your routine. Learn about vitamins and supplements. Do not overuse them. Find out what your diet is missing and complete it with supplements or vitamins. Keep a close watch on the products you take and the effects they have on you. Make sure you do not take too many supplements, this could cause you to gain weight. Make a playlist of songs that get you pumped up for your workout. Listening to fast, upbeat music while working out on the treadmill or elliptical will help you keep the pace needed to stay in the zone of a good aerobic workout. Find music that makes you want to get up and dance and move to keep your heart beat up and your mind focused. A part of getting in shape that is sometimes overlooked is changing your eating habits. A lot of people start a workout and even though they stick to it, they notice they aren't losing any weight. Sometimes this is because they are still eating the same unhealthy food they were before the workouts began. Take a good look at what you're consuming, and you'll probably find that some changes are in order. If you're just starting to work out, then drink a pint of protein shake or milk. According to a new study, beginners that used 3 sets of 6 exercises and drank a pint of protein immediately after training to failure, gained 5 pounds of muscle within just 8 weeks. A great fitness tip is to make sure you get the right running shoes. It's not wise to run in shoes that aren't specifically designed for running because you can get seriously injured. You can easily sprain your ankle. Good running shoes are well worth the money. As you can see, there are many better ways to gradually ease fitness into your lifestyle than making sweeping long-term goals. Follow the tips mentioned in this article for making small lifestyle changes to improve your fitness, and before you know it, one small step at a time, you will be on your way to that marathon.